Okay, so it's finally loaded up, so let's give it a play. It's incredibly dark, and oh gosh, you can't see nothing, can you? Let's brighten things up a little bit if we can. Probably going to be done through the skylight. Again, it's been a while since I've intensity scale. Let's just set that to 1. That might be a little bit better. Still very dark. Wow. Okay. Let's let the arrow get out of the way. Oh, there you go. That's better. Wow, it's so dark in engine though, in game. Wow. Let's try. I'm just going to do it to like 3 and see what happens. That's a little bit better. So you had this like giant log you were supposed to kind of. Everything seems quite big. It feels like the character should be like twice the size. I can't believe I didn't really notice this when I was making this. So yeah, so the idea was that you kind of spawned into this dark forest. Now obviously it was a little too dark, but again I think that's more the engine switch over than it is a problem with the actual game itself. Now I don't remember quite where it was, but there was a sword here somewhere. So the idea was, oh gosh. So the idea was you jump that ravine, but there's quite a large ravine, and there was supposed to be a sword somewhere, but I can't see it anywhere. That you could pick up, and there was a collectible behind here, and where's the sword gone? Okay, well, I might not be. Oh, I thought it was there. What's that? Oh, cinematic camera actor. Okay, that was for when I was I was trying to come up with a little bit of a trailer for this, and then we had some enemies here that would spawn in, or you could at least just place them in. Let's see if I can find that sword BP and see if I can get it active. I think it's because I was messing around with the inventory that I kind of got rid of it for now. Let's see if I can pick it up though. Let's see if it's in here. No. Meshes. Pick up widget, shield. Oh, I got the shield sorted there. Sword BP, there we go. Let's just so the idea was it was supposed to be kind of like in the ground. But let's just see if I can get it for now. Let's start here. Ah, there you go. So I've got the sword now. There we go. And we go into our sword stance. I might not be able to use this now. No, and it's also too wide. So let's start over. Let's bring our sword over here, and let's start here and see if we can do some enemy attacks. So you can see there's a lot of stuff that needs fixing. Oh, there you go, and it didn't destroy the actor. Lovely. She does. Oh, she does run, but she's out of stamina, and I think she uses attacks with stamina as well. So let's jump down here anyway. It's still very dark. Why has it gone so dark again? That's crazy. Okay, well, we should still be able to see our enemies when we go through here. So one of them's seen me, so it's coming to attack me. Let's see if I can. There you go. Oh, boom! It's dead. There you go. Wow. Okay. I'm losing health. Oh god. There we go. So, and that was kind of the basics of these enemies. And then the idea was, because it's so dark, I'm going to just leave that alone. But you would kill all those. I was going to put more in but I hadn't got around to it. And there's a bunch here as well. Oh, that was where I moved the sword here so I could test out. That's why. There's a sword and there's a shield here. So I was testing the attacking. So there is a shield you can pick up as well. But you get that in the main story back in the town. And then this was going to be, again, it's completely unfinished, but there's a creature you can fight there. And there's another collectible back here you could get as well. And that was going to be the exit. And then you go through into Hyrule. But that was kind of what I'd done. The reason I didn't put it into a beta is because not everything's connected. As of yet, because I was trying to do it world area by world area and connect it when I'd finished them, and I hadn't quite finished everything. But yeah, and that's the area you've got to run around in the Dark Forest. And then up here, the idea was to have your protagonist, because that was the exit of Sanctuary. You come through here and then you fall down here, and the idea was that your brother Algon would come around here and he would stand there, and then when you were fighting this guy, he would jump down and help you fight him, and that was how you kind of joined together. And then the tragic thing that was going to happen was the mother would then jump down at the end and sacrifice herself to allow you to run away, and she would get captured by this thing. It wouldn't die, you would get captured. But yeah, so hopefully you've enjoyed this episode and kind of a look at what sort of 6 to 9 months work where it can get you. I mean, I know things are a little bit broken. I think that's because it's coming from a much older engine than Unreal Engine 5, and so things are bound to break. Things are going to need changing and updating. But if there's anything you want me to cover in this, let me know. I'd be more than happy to. But thanks so much, guys, for checking this out, and I will see you in tomorrow's episode. Take care. Bye.